What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Therapy. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for new videos every week. Today's video is brought to you by our channel sponsor, Exado, the social marketplace built for car, truck, and bike lovers to buy, sell, and bid on rides and parts. Launching August 1st. Join the waitlist at the first link in our description.
How's it going? I got music playing on my thing. 1 second.
What's that?
I got some music playing. 1 second.
Okay.
How's it going?
Good. Yeah, reason I stopped is your speed, obviously. And you got your license.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm sorry about it. I'm just heading back to getting the bike chain. I live in West Phoenix. Need me to take these pictures off?
No.
Should be good?
Yeah, you're good. Do you have insurance registration?
Yeah, it's all in my bag. Mind if I get off the bag?
Yeah.
The bike? The bike? Nice car, man.
What's that?
It's a nice car.
Yeah, right. So, do you have these pictures on here so when you get pulled over, you can be like, oh man, maybe I should slow down for my kid, right? Is that
Hey,
right?
that's a good excuse, but nah, man.
Pictures right there, so you can look at them and be like, I don't want to die.
All my stuff's in here.
It's your bike and everything?
I'm sorry?
It's your bike?
Yeah, I'm fully legal, man.
Alright, cool.
My bad for speeding. I actually just got this one like a month ago, man. I used to drive a 300. I don't know if you know about bikes.
Oh yeah, 300.
It's an R1, so like the speed is a lot better, man.
How long you been riding?
2 years. Yeah, I've always had like a little bike until I got this one, man.
Yeah, I had a Suzuki 650, but you definitely got to be careful. I mean, especially with 2 years.
Of course, man.
Motorcycles are different than cars.
This is my guy.
You know, 2 years, you're like, I'm
My
good.
insurance card right here, my Geico.
This is.
Oh, that's actually my other bike. My bad. My old bike, Dairyland.
Cool. Are you still at 51st Avenue?
Yeah.
Okay. Just have a seat on the bike.
No problem, man. Fuck you guys.
I mean, I think I have something like that on the back wheel.
Okay, okay.
believe you, man. I'm just trying to figure out, because like I said,
P13, there is no VIN record on file. It does not conform to VIN standards for 1981 and later vehicles.
yeah, so it's not even registerable as far as California.
Got it.
You might be able to do it, but like I said, I don't know. And like I said, they can stop you.
I might just, the people who I bought it from, I might just ask them. Like,
Yeah,
hey,
just ask them. They'll know
like,
more
hey, I was
than
like,
I
pulled
will.
over, and the officers are, you know, they're really
Yeah.
cool. They just wanted to know, like, they didn't even have the information,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I figured, you know, they
Yeah,
would.
but like as far as that, like especially if you're driving on a major way, you can't be driving this because you can cause an accident.
Yeah.
Because obviously like the majors are 45 miles per hour, 35, 25.
Yeah.
Obviously, if you could only go 20, you're gonna be holding up traffic.
Right.
People get pissed, they're gonna end up hitting you. I ride a motorcycle myself, and you know I go in the speed limit because I can, and people get pissed off. So imagine you're on a small bike, they're gonna make a bigger issue. And out here, it's just it just causes extra, you know, inconveniences for you.
Gotcha. Already in their day, probably.
Yeah. So I mean, like I said, I don't know exactly what, I don't even know if they'll allow you to register. Cause what does yours goes up to?
Like 35 if I'm
Oh, it's
really
35?
hitting it. Yeah, like not even 30. Like 30 is normally like once it's like if the battery right now is at like I don't know 60%. It's like 30 is what I'm doing.
Yeah, and these you can't even you can't ride these in the sidewalk either.
Oh,
obviously.
I would
Just
never.
motorized
No,
vehicle.
never.
So
I'm
that's
usually
that's
in-
the thing. It's kind of like
I'm in like you know I'm usually in the right lane. Like
Yeah.
obviously
But
if
we're
it's,
always on like
you know
back streets. We
Yeah.
never ride the main because like we're trying to follow the
we're
electric
taking
scooter.
I think Venice is the only one because it has that bike lane.
Yeah.
And like
But even then, we try
yeah,
as
because
much
like
as you can.
it
to
won't
get
be a
out.
big deal on the smaller streets, like I said. But once you hit the major streets, obviously if you're going all the way over there.
Oh, yeah.
You hit a major street, it's gonna be an issue. Some officer's gonna stop you, and they're obviously within their rights.
Yeah, no,
Absolutely.
Because obviously, I mean, that's especially when you put that out. That's why I told him. I was like, hey, he got a piece of paper on his.
Yeah, I mean that's
kind of.
yeah. It comes with this like plate. It comes with a plate that says e-bike, share the road, and I was like, I don't want no. Like I'm not trying to intimidate that I have a plate. That's
Yeah,
why
yeah.
I put that instead. You know, like I know like
See that one, you could if it's like
See, that
just
came
leave
with,
it.
like,
Nah,
yeah.
that's why I already knew. I mean,
Yeah.
I just
I
wanted
mean,
to
like
come
I said, I
come
could
look
even
at it.
pick the back end up, and you could twist it
Nah.
full throttle. It just
Trust
does,
me,
and
I-
it's slow. It's
I
like,
believe you, man. I can see
like,
the gas tank doesn't even flip up. I know they're electric, bro. You
Yeah.
don't have to prove it to me. I just wanted to come check it out myself to see if it even have. But the VIN doesn't come back either.
Okay.
So it's not even registered as a vehicle.
Yeah.
But like I said, you guys keep doing it. Just be aware that you can't get pulled over on a
Alright.
major street.
Absolutely.
Obviously, it's a cool ride. You know, it's no gas, and you get to go on the small majors. But just be aware it's pretty dangerous, especially where there's a lot of cars.
Got it.
Because you can't. You just have enough torque to swerve out of an accident like a motorcycle does.
Yeah.
So, all right, guys.
Thank you,
Yeah.
man. We really
All right.
appreciate
Of course.
it.
You guys gonna get big electric bikes or no?
So I've ridden the Zeros. Have you?
No, I wish. Those look cool.
Because I had my M1 and you know, so like
Oh, yeah?
that was, so I wasn't really too worried with this, but again, like
Yeah.
everything. But yeah, like I went to Hollywood Electrics.
S1K versus Gixxer. This will be another good one. Oh yeah, the S1K got out front. Once the S1K gets out in front, there ain't no way you're catching it. V4 and the S1K got the V4. I'm shocked. We got a Hyabusa coming. Hyabusa and Roadkill. Easy was wheeling, man. Why Jack messing with the RSD4, man? 2 S1Ks, 2-wheel. R1M sitting pretty. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. The V4 got him. That's wild. Man, I want to race so bad. I can't wait till we get you unlocked, Nina. We'll get you set up right. I know she's itching for it. Oh, there's no way. He must have got the hit. Say something, but I'm
We can't see it. It's obstructed.
okay.
Also, with that being said, I would try to see if you can't find something to mount it on here. That way it's an easy
I'll probably
take.
try dropping a couple screws, but then it's not wide enough. I gotta find a bracket that'll work.
Turn it.
I gotta find a bracket.
Turn it long. Turn it long.
Yeah. Okay.
That way,
okay,
put one screw in it, tighten it up, it'll hold it.
Okay.
Then that way, when you go off, have a wing nut on the back. You just take the wing nut off and take it off. You can go ride it off the road all you want.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
But don't be out here riding stupid, because no lie. In the last 2 weeks, I've had 5 motorcycle wrecks and 4 fatalities.
Yeah, I've seen a couple of funeral processions going around with street bikes.
And you know, that's way too many motorcycle wrecks.
Right.
And it's been out here for stupid stuff. And you standing on your showing off, or whatever you want to call it, standing up on your things, doing all that, that's not what the law says how you ride a motorcycle. Okay, you got to be sitting on your seat riding a motorcycle. Just stay back, ride cool, watch out for other drivers, man. It's simple. We don't want to be scraping you up off.
Right, yeah.
So from now on, you know, I don't have a problem with you standing up on your motorcycle. I do the same thing.
What?
Going to railroad tracks, bumps, but not constantly driving, looking around like all that. Because you know, I got you on video too.
Right.
The way you were riding. So just be careful out here.
Will do.
I'll write you a warning for your tag.
Okay. I'll get it mounted.
Try to get that taken care of somehow.
Yeah, I'll get it mounted.
That way when you come out here on tag, ain't nobody gonna mess with you.
Right.
When you draw attention to yourself, that's when you get stopped.
Yeah, I'll get a mount for it.
And that's just a warning, okay?
Okay.
All right, so it's just stated, you don't have to do anything with it. It's just stated while we pulled you over for no display of your tag, okay?
All right, I appreciate that.
All right, man, be careful.
All right. Motherfucker didn't like I was standing up. Like, what the fuck?
And that's a wrap on this one. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss a daily drop. And if you want to rep the moto lifestyle, head over to mototherapy.shop and cop some fire merch to support us. We appreciate every single one of you. And until next time.